Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add Stripe to Wix website. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are only few countries that you can or this is available. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the list of countries. So this is the list of countries or the supported countries. So Austria, Australia, Belgium, Bulgaria, Canada. So all these countries, okay? So if you're not living in these countries, I'm sorry to tell you, but you cannot do this tutorial, okay? But if you're living within this country, just go ahead and continue watching this video, okay? So let's just go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and open Wix and sign in your account, okay? So once you're signed in, just go ahead and click on the settings section at the left left side of your screen. And once you've clicked on settings, just go ahead and select accept payments, then click see more payment options. Okay? So once you've clicked on the accept payments, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the see more payment options button. Okay? So now just go ahead and find the third party credit or debit card providers, then click see options. Okay? So just like earlier, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the third party credit or the debit card providers, then click see options. Okay? And now just go ahead and find Stripe and then click the connect button at the right side of it. Okay? So once you've clicked on the connect button, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click again the connect button. So you should see that at the lower part of your screen. And now just go ahead and put the needed details. Okay. So, okay. So now once you've put all of the needed details of your Stripe, I'm sorry, yes, of your Stripe. So now, once you've done that, just go ahead and click on continue, and that should add a stripe to your Wix website. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.